Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're having a great weekend, or hope you had a great weekend. Depends on where you live. And welcome to this new video here on the markets. We're going to do a full update here on the markets, including Bitcoin, including altcoins. It will be a little bit of a short video or concise video. Let's call it like that, because the markets right now are absolutely crazy. All right. So a ton of things are happening. And I'm basically trading and looking at the charts 24/7 now, so I don't have that much time, unfortunately, to make videos. But having said that, we'll take a look at Bitcoin. We'll talk about some altcoins. I will place a link down in the description to a video I made back in August, which is ridiculously valuable, all right? If you actually want to catch a lot of these pumps that are happening, this is a great tool. I'll leave the link down in the description. Check it out, all right? Because that way you can actually get alerts when altcoins start to move, and you can make the decision whether you want to jump in or not. Also, if you want to navigate these circumstances, because it looks quite likely that we're topping out soon. There's a lot of euphoria right now. There's some bearish divergences. If you want to kind of be cautious for those moves down, while at the same point of time also getting profitable trades and becoming a better trader, consider joining our premium or signal group. All right, in there you get updates on the markets, you get spot trades, you get futures trades. They're profitable, and I also try to warn you when the top is coming. So if you're interested in that, links are down in the description. Now let's get into it. Like I said, it looks like we are getting into some sort of a euphoria phase in general right now. Look, the market right now is very bullish, all right? Volume is almost $60 billion in the weekend. That is ridiculously bullish, but it is a weekend. Very often moves that happen over the weekend actually get reversed in the week. And then at the same point of time, look, we've reached 80,000, big psychological resistance level. We're starting to get some top signals here. And then at the same point of time, which you can also see right here on the with the open interest, both open interest and the RSI have made, over the course of this morning, have made bearish divergences with the price. So that whole combination, look, if anyone is bullish on the market, it's me. But Bitcoin being at such a strong resistance levels, those bearish confirmations coming in, those bearish divergences, and then the Bitcoin dominance also getting towards a very strong support level, I think it's good to be cautious here. But while I say that, I mean, I do want to let you know that I'm still longing coins, all right? So I think for now it's still fine to trade, and I think we should still have a very bullish bias. But I think the top is coming very, very, very soon. I would say in the next 2 or 3 days, we will have topped out. We'll get a bit of a deeper pullback. And from there, we'll see. I mean, at the moment, you can actually see that... no, is that actually true? No, that's not really true. No, never mind. But no, that looks to be most likely. But like I said, I mean, at the moment, when you look at altcoins, meme coins are by far the strongest narrative right now. So meme coins are still very, very well tradable. And if you take a look at the volume here, like something like Dogecoin, something like Shiba, I covered those earlier this morning, have gone absolutely parabolic. Something like Pepe is still very strong. Something like Cardano, because of its ties to Donald Trump, very strong. What I just got an alert on that might be interesting is BOEM. This seems like it still has potential to go up higher. When you look at a lot of altcoins right now, like WIF, Mu, Turbo, like they've already rallied a lot, right? And with something like BOEM, historically this has been very, very strong. There still is a little bit of room, but to be fair, it might have just hit this level when you're watching this video when I upload it. So like I said, go to that video, set up the bot. It's all in a video how to set that up, and then you can actually get these alerts for yourself, and try to be early. But outside of that, like I said, I think the top is coming in, and that is going to hurt altcoins as well. For now, there's still a lot of strong altcoins. Something like Beam is still quite strong. Something like Fetch AI is still very, very strong. Ondo is breaking out right here. Sui, nice pullback. I don't think that's performing too much. But Jasmine is also very close to breaking out. What else do we have? Most have already broken out of this list. As you can see, my list is pretty long. I think Nero is still breaking out right here. I actually entered a position on this, so that could be interesting. I think Prime for the long term is interesting, but that's that's a short list of altcoins right now. that I'm keeping my eyes on. Like I said, if you actually want to know what I'm entering, what trades I'm entering, and just in general be updated on when a potential top is coming for the markets, consider joining the premium or the signal. Premium is actually like only $10 a month, all right? And there I also keep you updated. So check that out. Will be down in the description. For now, like I said, check out that video. I strongly recommend that. And stay safe, all right? Times are going to be volatile. It's going to be bullish over the next couple of months, but that doesn't mean that we cannot have a major pullback before that. So that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.